Welcome back to Repairs to Go. In today's video, we are tackling one of the most requested and challenging repairs, replacing the back glass of the iPhone 16 Pro Max using a full rear cover assembly that includes the camera lens glass, wireless NFC charging coil, and flash flex cable, making the installation process more efficient. Due to the heavy impact damage, the original glass is badly broken and requires extra care. Since the damage is extensive, we begin by powering off the phone and removing the two bottom pentalobe screws near the charging port to release pressure on the housing. Using a heat gun or hot air, you can gently heat the entire rear panel to around 80 to 100 degrees Celsius to soften the industrial strength adhesive holding the shattered glass. Once warmed, you can carefully pry from the least damaged corner using a thin metal pick and slide in a plastic card to lift and chip away the broken glass gradually. You can also apply isopropyl alcohol around the edges to help break down the adhesive and make removal easier. In cases of severe breakage, applying additional heat may be necessary to loosen stubborn areas and safely lift embedded glass. This part demands patience and steady hands, as the glass may splinter and scatter. Slowly open the cover from left to right like a book and disconnect the battery and the flash flex cable from the motherboard on the right side portion, usually secured by a metal shield and screw. Remove 3 tri-star screws from the battery flex connector and 4 tri-star screws securing the flash flex. Next, you can clean the entire housing frame using isopropyl alcohol and a brush to clear away leftover adhesive, debris, and fragments. You can use B7000 glue or strong adhesive around the edges. Reconnect the flash flex cable, the battery, and align the new panel into place. Once seated, you can use clamps or rubber bands to hold the new back glass assembly securely and allow it to cure for 30 to 60 minutes. Finally, you can clean up any excess glue, reinstall the bottom pentalobe screws, power on the phone, and test all major functions including the flash, rear camera, wireless charging, and NFC to ensure a successful and professional repair. Reinstall the two bottom screws, power on the device, and perform a full test to ensure the wireless charging, NFC, flash, and camera all work as expected, restoring the iPhone 16 Pro Max to its sleek original look. And that wraps up our successful replacement of the iPhone 16 Pro Max's shattered back glass using a complete rear cover assembly. As you've seen, this type of repair takes precision, patience, and the right tools, especially when dealing with severely damaged glass and delicate internal components. But with careful heating, proper technique, and a high-quality replacement part, we've brought this iPhone back to life, looking as good as new. If you found this video helpful or learned something new today, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Your feedback truly helps this channel grow. If you're into phone and tech repairs, or just enjoy watching how devices get restored, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I post regular tutorials, tips, and teardown videos to help you fix your own gadgets or level up your repair skills. Thanks again for watching Repairs to Go, your go-to spot for mobile and tech repairs. Shout out to board vlogger, rose-colored glasses Logan and Warpork TV. I'll see you all in the next video.